What is going on, you guys? Steven here. Today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. I hope this isn't too bright. It looks pretty good on the camera screen. Anyways though, I know I haven't posted in like a month. Please forgive me. However, I've been behind the scenes emailing a lot of companies. I have quite a few videos coming out for you guys very soon. Again, I just have to, get in the works and talk to a bunch of companies, hopefully get some stuff sent out to me and stuff like that. So for this video though, as you guys saw the thumbnail, I'm gonna be basically showing you guys this tiny little gold AK and this Bolt L96. And it's from GoatGuns. So I got a package here. GoatGuns, they've been around for a while, and their company, they basically just make miniature gun replicas. It's freaking awesome. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this. I'm gonna move my camera over to my desk. I'm gonna move my keyboard, move the lights, and let's just get a close up on these guys, all right? All right, you guys, I don't think I've ever done an unboxing like this before, but I think it looks okay. I don't think it looks all too bad. I'm sorry if the audio quality isn't as good. It's kind of because I'm standing behind the camera and the mic I use, you're supposed to be standing in front. But regardless, let's just go ahead and open this guy up and let's see what we got here. I think this is looking pretty good. So what is this thing? It's probably my packing slip. Yep. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead, moved the camera, moved the lights a little bit more, zoomed in for you guys so you can actually see what we got going on here. Anyways though, so we got a gold AK-47. It says Goldilocks, ages 12 and up, non-firing AK-47 replica, GoatGuns. And we also got this little sticker, if you guys can see that right there, a little GoatGun sticker, pretty cool. And yeah, so we got a gold AK-47, assemble in minutes. So there's the first one, and then the second one we got is an American sniper. That's what they call it, but basically it's just a camo Bolt L96 sniper rifle. It actually looks pretty damn cool. All right, so I'm gonna zoom back out just a little bit so I can have some room here. I'm going to open these guys up, and then once I show you guys all the parts and pieces, I'm going to assemble these for you. Go ahead and slide this out, and it does come with a little instruction manual on how to assemble these guys. However, if you're more of like a visual learner and you want to see a video of this being put together, obviously you can just stay tuned and watch how I assemble this. But there's a whole bunch of videos online, you guys, of people assembling all different types of guns that these guys offer. So here we go. This is the gold AK. Let's go ahead and take this little plastic top off. All right, here it is, you guys. This is the gold AK-47. So we got the stock here, we got the upper and lower receiver, we got the magazine. Is this metal? Actually, hold on, let me see this. I think it is. Oh my god, it's actually metal. I thought this was all gonna be plastic. The wood, I bet, is definitely plastic. I don't think this is real wood. Let me see. Yeah, that's definitely plastic. Wow, it actually comes with a gold flash hider too. What is this big thing? Oh man. This is metal, this is heavy. This is just a Goldilocks. Oh, so it says the name of the actual product. That's kind of cool. And this must be a little stand. So when you set it down on your desk or wherever you're putting it, you can just have it sitting on this little metal stand. That's actually kind of cool that they include that. But yeah, so there's the first, oh, what the hell? They even provide little gold bullets. That's kind of cool. Anyways though, so here's the first one, this little gold AK-47. So let's go ahead and set this guy down. Let's open up the sniper, and then we will go ahead and assemble them. So here it is. This is the L96. This has got to be plastic. Let's see. Can I push this out? Oh my, this is all the weight right here. This is legit a slab of metal. Do you hear that? This is a little block of metal. This is awesome. So there's that. We got the butt plate. If you were curious, yeah, we gotta probably screw that in right there. So there's that. Was not expecting that to be metal. The scope's gotta be plastic. Something's gotta be plastic on this. Oh my gosh, the scope is metal too. No way. So the scope's metal, I'm sure the bipod's metal, the flash hider, we got the bolt over there, the magazine, more fake bullets, and then again the bag with the tools and whatnot. So pretty damn cool though. So let's go ahead and let's assemble these guys. Guys, it is coming together pretty nicely. Look at that. Guys, before I put the bullets in, look at these little guys. My camera focuses. Look at that. That's kind of cool. All right, let me load the mag up, and that guy down there is basically done. Alright guys, look at this gold AK. I'm done assembling this gold AK. It actually took a little bit longer than I was anticipating because I didn't read up on it. I didn't really read the instructions. I kind of just figured it out myself. But regardless, I got it done. Everything on this is metal, you guys, besides the stock, the pistol grip right here, and then the handguard. But man, this actually has some decent weight. And I thought this was going to be all plastic, but I am wrong, and I'm glad that I'm wrong. This thing feels amazing. And what's cool is that it's pretty realistic. We got the charging handle right here, which actually pulls back and makes that locking sound. That's kind of cool. We had those fake bullets in the magazine. We have the fire selector switch right here, which goes up and down, as you can see. And then up top, we have the iron sights, as you guys can see right there. And it's kind of cool because like on normal AKs, these kind of just flop around. This does it too. So what I'm gonna do now actually is let's go ahead, I'm not gonna pause the video. Let's just go ahead and stand this up like so. Move that. And if you guys were curious why I was using my own screwdrivers, this is just too small, man. This was tiny and I couldn't get a good grip and leverage, so I went ahead and used mine. And they also provide, I guess I could show you this before I show you that again. They provide this little magnet. So what you do is you put this magnet on your screwdriver, and then you put the screws on the tip of your screwdriver, and it magnetizes it so your screws don't just fall all over the place. So that's really cool that they provide that. But yeah, man, look at this little guy. And I like how the stand is metal. It's not cheap, it's not plastic. So let me just show you guys the finished product right here. Goldilocks. Man, this thing's pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. Anyways, though, so yeah, here's the AK. Let's go ahead and assemble the Bolt L96 sniper rifle. Guys, my dad literally walked in as I was putting together the sniper rifle.
Yeah, this is pretty nice, Steven. I like this. It's actually got some moving parts on it.
I know.
What do you call this, a boat release or something?
Charging handle.
Charging handle, that's right.
It's cool though, right?
Yeah, it's got a little thing for a strap. You know,
yeah,
if you want
sling.
to wear it over your thing, you know. No, this is actually nice. Got a little metal rod here. Don't know what that's for, but
it's just an AK replica.
This is nice.
I'm surprised how good it feels.
Yeah, das vidanya.
So here is the L96, you guys. This thing is freaking awesome. I will say the bipod is, you know, it can move pretty easily, so you gotta be careful of that. But it is metal. Everything on this is metal now that I think about it, besides the butt plate right here. If you guys can see, if my camera will focus right there. So that's actually rubber, which is pretty realistic. I like the attention to detail. And then this piece right here, right behind the rubber butt plate, is metal. So the only thing on here that's not metal is this rubber pad right here for your shoulder. Everything else is metal, definitely heavier than the AK down there. The scope's, you know, metal, and you can even see through the scope. I doubt my camera will focus. You can kind of tell a little bit, but you can actually see through the scope. That's kind of cool. You know, then we got the moving bolt right here. Just go ahead and lift up, pull back, as you can see, go ahead and flip down. It's kind of cool. We got the magazine right here with the mag release. Just go ahead and push that towards you, pull it down. There is the little fake metal bullets again. Go ahead and put that back in. We got the trigger right here, as you guys can see. All right, so here they are, you guys. Pretty damn cool. That gold AK is something else, and I love how it comes with that metal stand. But yeah, so there's the AK. Here is the L96. Very, very cool. Anyways, though, you guys, yeah, there's the gold AK-47 and the Bolt L96 sniper rifle. Absolutely amazing. Now, what I want to do is we're gonna head outside because I'm gonna show you guys a little hack that you guys can do with these. So let's just take my word for it, let's head outside. All right guys, so we're outside. So before I show you guys the hack for these, it's only gonna work for the AK because it's an assault rifle, fully automatic. The bolt sniper, I haven't gotten to that one yet, so this is only gonna work if you have an AK or a fully automatic weapon. Anyways though, let me go ahead and show you guys. I told you to keep the camera pointed at the banana, not me. This way, bro. Obviously, I'm kidding. All right, you guys, so I know I've showed you guys them again, but that's because, again, we're outside, and the quality is just always better when I'm filming outside, so I thought, you know, might as well just show you them again, with the quality hopefully being a little bit better, colors being a little bit more clear and stuff like that. But here it is. So it says Goat Gun right there on the stand. On this side, again, it says Goldilocks, which is the name of this gold AK, I guess, was what they wanted to call it. But yeah, man, this thing is freaking awesome. This is an awesome little desk piece, and that's exactly what these are used for. They're used for decorative little pieces on your desk, on any shelving, drawers, whatever you want to put them on, nightstands, I don't care. Their main purpose is simply just for looks, cosmetics, and just to have them on your desk and whatnot. Anyways, though, so yeah, this is the AK. Let me just go ahead and show you guys really quickly the L96. All right, so here it is, you guys. Here's the L96. Once again, here is the bipod. You can go ahead and just, you know, swivel them up, swivel them back if you really want, but no one really does that. You should always just swivel them up like that. But I'm just gonna leave them down just like so, because when you sit it on the floor or on the desk, wherever you're gonna have this standing or sitting, you should always have the bipod down. But yeah, so here is the flash hider, just like so. Full metal hider barrel. We got the metal scope right there, got the magazine, got the trigger, got the little butt plate right there with the rubber butt pad, and a little cheek riser, which actually doesn't rise, but it's cool that they added that. Anyways, so here's this side of the L96. Pretty cool. The coolest part on this side is the actual bolt. Push it up, slide it back, push it forward, and then lock it down, just like any other L96. But yeah, these little replicas are freaking sweet. Anyways though, let's go ahead and head back inside, and we will wrap the video up from there. Anyways though, so we're back inside. Here they are. Once again, I've showed you them like a billion times by now. However, I want to quickly, before we wrap the video up, I want to quickly talk about some of their items on their website, GoatGuns website. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these two specific products, I will leave links in the description. Just go ahead and click them. They'll take you right to where you can buy these. And then I'll leave a link in the description as well, just to the homepage of GoatGuns, because that way you guys can see exactly how many different guns they have. They have like 2 or 3 different L96s. They have 3 different types of AKs. They have like a complete red version. They have this gold version. Then they have a normal AK-47. And then they have a Tommy gun, I believe. They have like 3 or 2 different types of M4s. I'm trying to think, what else do they have? Regardless, so I think they have like 16 different guns that you can go ahead and choose from, of, you know, which one you want or whatever. Also, these guys are $40, or one of them may be $35. I don't know. Some of their products range, some of their guns range from $35 to $40. All right, so I'm not sure exactly if these are both 40 or if they're both 35, or if one's 40 and the other's 35. I don't know. But I thought I'd at least point out that regardless of the prices, they are either $35 or $40. In addition to that, they also have like these bundle packages. I think they have like an AK bundle package. Maybe I'll post a picture right here, where you can get the normal AK, the red AK, and then the gold AK for like $80, $90, something like that. So you save money if you buy them in the bundle. And then they have another bundle called like the supply crate, I believe is what it's called. Let me go ahead and post a picture there. I believe it also comes with 10 guns. Could be wrong. But you know, you definitely save a whole bunch of money. It's basically like a mystery box of like a variety of different guns on their website. But you save money. You save a lot of money if you buy these bundle packages, especially if you want to have like a little collection. And that's the next thing I want to talk about. I'm going to be doing another video. GoatGuns is going to send out a whole bunch more of these, well, not these specifically, but all their other guns that they have. And I'm gonna do like a little collection video. I'm gonna do assembly, you know, just like a time lapse of me assembling all of them. And it's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'll literally have like a collection on my desk of little replica guns, like a little arsenal. But yeah, I just want to thank GoatGuns for sending these out to me. I really do appreciate it. Guys, go ahead and click the link in the description. Please go show them some support. Go buy some of their products. I would really appreciate it, and I know for a fact they would really appreciate it as well. But yeah, you guys, I think that is going to do it for this video. So again, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next one.